Exercise 1B, fifth problem. Find three rational numbers between 2 1 by 3 and 3 2 by 3. Here the problem is given in the form of mixed fraction. So first we want to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So you all know how to change this. Multiply the denominator into the whole number and the answer you can add it with the numerator. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 3. And here multiply the denominator into this whole number. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 by 3. So now we are going to find in between three rational numbers, between these two numbers 7 by 3 and 11 by 3. So I already told you that what formula we want to apply here. Half into x plus y. So first you write the formula half into x plus y. In the place of x you can replace the number 7 by 3 and in the place of y you can replace the number 11 by 3. Second step, we want to take LCM. Just look at the bracket, both the numbers are here like fraction. Yes, so like fraction in the sense we can start doing directly the numerators we can add it. So just you write like this 7 plus 11 divided by 3. So what is 7 plus 11? It is 18 divided by 3. Yes. And now you can do cross out. For 2 and 18 it is 9 times and 3 and 9 it is 3 times. So your answer at last it is 1 into 3, 3. So what number? It is 3. This is the first number lying between these two numbers. So you can write the answer next 7 by 3 less than 3 less than 11 by 3. So again you repeat the same procedure, half into x plus y. Now we want to replace x here, this number 3. Okay. So replace x as 3 and y is nothing but the same second number what we are having here. That same 11 by 3 you can write. So now we want to take LCM. Just do the multiplication. This denominator in multiply these two numbers. 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 11 whole thing divided by 3. So half into 11 plus 9 it is 20 divided by 3. Now you can able to do cross out. This 2 and 20 it is 10 times. So your answer is 10 by 3. So here 7 by 3 less than 3, this is your first number and now we got the second number as 10 by 3 less than 11 by 3. So now we found two rational numbers what they have lies in between. Now I am going to find the third number. We want to do the same procedure. Again you have to consider the same formula, half into x plus y. And now here instead of this x we want to replace this 10 by 3. So half into 10 by 3 plus y as well as the same number. Then the second number we can write 11 by 3. And now look at both the denominators are same, which means they are like fractions. So directly you can able to add the numerator. So numerator is nothing but 10 plus 11 divided by 3. Half into 10 plus 11 it is 21 divided by 3. How many times it can cross out? 7 times in 3 tables. So 7 3s are 21. So now we get the answer here. It is 7 and 7. So multiply with the numerator. 1 into 7, 7. So 7 by 2. So this is your third number. So how can you write this final answer? 7 by 3. Your first number is 3 and your second number is 10 by 3 and your third number, now we got 7 divided by 2 less than 11 by 3. So this is what the three rational numbers is lies in between 7 by 3 to 11 by 3.
So similarly, we can able to find not only 3 rational number, 4, 5 or 6 rational number. We can repeat the procedure again and again to finding the next rational numbers, what it is lies in between any two rational number. Actually, this is one method and we have another short method also. That method I'll tell you in next video teaching. Thank you.